इंटरव्यू करने वाले हैं उनको आप बहुत अच्छे से जानते हैं, बहुत सारे शोज़ में देखा है, रियलिटी शोज़, बहुत सारे एंकरिंग, होस्टिंग, बहुत देखा है। तो आज हम पहुंच चुके हैं रूबी भाटिया के यहाँ और बहुत सारी बातें होने वाली हैं। इनके गार्डन में हम एंजॉय कर रहे हैं। सो हेलो रूबी, हाउ आर यू?
I'm great, Chetna. How are you?
I'm good. Thank you so much. You gave us time.
No problem. It's really exciting. I've done a lot of work with the Times Group, and I'm really happy to be on Zoom.
That's nice. That's nice. How's life, Ruby?
Okay, well, it's been crazy. I mean, most of you know I'm a mother of two, so there's two boys, and I think Chetna और हम यही बात कर रहे थे कि कितना मुश्किल है. लाइफ में आप कुछ भी अचीव कर लो, ठीक है, लेकिन एक माँ बनना सबसे मुश्किल काम है. Really, hats off to all the mothers out there. Really.
So how you are managing? बच्चे क्या परेशानी करते हैं, क्या करते हैं?
बच्चे अच्छे हैं बेचारे. They're very sweet. Krishna is now 13, Vishnu is 9. They play football. उनकी लाइफ में तो बस फुटबॉल ही है सब कुछ. रोनाल्डो, मेसी, I know all the footballers now. And they're very sweet actually. बेचारे कोशिश बहुत करते हैं, लेकिन बच्चे हैं, गलती हो जाती है, कभी मुक्का लग जाता है, कभी सोते अभी परसों क्या हुआ था, आंख में कोनी डाल दी. मैं कहा ये क्या हो रहा है, सोते क्या हो रहा है. So ये है कि गलती से कुछ ना कुछ हो ही जाता है. But it's fine, and I think as a mother you really learn compassion and tolerance and patience and all those things. तो अच्छा भी लगता है. बहुत प्यारे हैं. बहुत
नाइस नेम, कृष्णा एंड विष्णु. बहुत क्यूट नाम है, आपने रखे होंगे.
हाँ, ये this is my one satisfaction as a mom, that because I am Krishna Bhakt, so now I am Krishna Bhakt and Vishnu Bhakt. क्योंकि नहीं तो विष्णु को अच्छा नहीं लगेगा कि मैं क्यों कृष्णा को ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंस दे रही हूँ. But I've been with ISKCON for many years, and I love Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, I love Srila Prabhupada, I love ISKCON. तो कृष्णा भक्ति बचपन से चली आ रही है. तो ये मुझे एक बहुत अच्छा लगा. उनका नाम बोलने में भी मुझे खुशी होती है. कृष्णा एंड विष्णु, इट्स अल्टीमेट.
तो काम कैसे मैनेज हो पाता है? भक्ति भी है, बच्चे भी है, काम भी है, घर भी है, एवरीथिंग इज ऑन यू. सो हाउ डू यू मैनेज?
I don't manage. I go crazy. I mean, I don't know. कुछ साल पहले, जैसे कि शायद आप लोग जानते हैं, I left all my work to find God properly. And I went all over India to find the highest teachings available to mankind today. That was my quest. And I came to my guru, Shri Paramahansa Yogananda, and Yogadas Satsang Society Self-Realization Fellowship. ये एक ही संस्था है. So I took initiation with Guruji, and तब से मैं क्रिया योगा meditation कर रही हूँ. And I love it. It's incredible. गुरुजी ने सब कुछ दिया है. My husband is a fellow disciple. तो आश्रम हमारा वडाला में है, रांची में हेडक्वार्टर्स है इंडिया का. एंड वहाँ जाके अजीत जी मिले, फिर बच्चे मिले. तो ये पूरा जो है, इट्स ऑल अ डिवाइन फैमिली, एंड इट्स ऑल भगवान जी, गुरु जी का सब दिया हुआ है. So now my main purpose is to be a life coach, and that's something I've been doing for 25 years. उस टाइम पे लाइफ कोच जैसा वर्ड नहीं था कुछ, लेकिन मुझे लाइफ कोचिंग बहुत अच्छा लगता है, क्योंकि जो भी मेरे एक्सपीरियंस रहे हैं लाइफ में, like personality development, weight loss, happiness, personal issues. मुझे लगता है चेतना कि इंडिया में ना, especially women, they have nobody to talk to. So they need a best friend, they need a coach. So I'm there. मैं सिर्फ 1000 लेती हूँ for lifelong life coaching. Lifelong. Lifelong.
It's not kind of monthly. It's lifelong 1000.
It's a membership into my little family.
Okay.
आप अगर मुझे ज्वाइन करते हैं तो 24 घंटे आपको जब भी बात करने हैं, I'm there for you. That's kind of social service also, and helping others and making little money on the side for me also.
And how's the response for your audience or public?
हाँ, बहुत अच्छा, very good. I have people from all over the world who call me. I have some gentlemen also who have called me. I had a very prominent person from America just this morning who called me. So I think क्योंकि क्या होता है ना, मैंने अपना आध्यात्मिक जो जर्नी है, and my search for the truth and for meaning and for happiness. The happiness becomes much deeper as you grow older. Happiness today is about positive living, health, mental health, physical health, spiritual health. ये सारी चीज़ें हमें करनी पड़ती तो जाके इस उम्र में हैप्पीनेस मिलती है. बचपन में तो अपने आप ही हैप्पी हैं. So I'm now helping these people who have finished everything. They've got their material success, they've got everything, लेकिन अंदर से खालीपन जो लगता है. So to encourage them to be their mental, physical and spiritual best, I'm there to motivate them, inspire them and be there. So if you need help, give me a call.
So Ruby, tell me about your mental health. How do you manage that?
मेंटल हेल्थ यही है कि गुस्सा करो, ब्रेक डाउन्स करो, रोते रहो. I mean, you know, it has to be natural. It has to be natural. Whatever emotions you're feeling at that time, you have to have the right support system. Okay. अब मेरा life coach है Krishna, who's my 12-year-old now. He just turned 13. So whenever I'm upset, I just call him Krishna. You won't believe what ऐसा हो गया. And then he'll be like, his pet line is, "Mom, I understand. I understand." और वो इतना बोलता है तो मुझे सुकून मिल जाता है. It gives me the strength to go on. So mental health has to be taken seriously. It's not something that we brush it aside. Okay. Whatever we are feeling, we should have our support system. जिनसे हम बात करते हैं, to express. And I think the most important thing for mental health is peace. कुछ टाइम रोज़ होना चाहिए हमारे पास. 1 घंटा, आधा घंटा जब हम कुछ नहीं करते, खाली just take a walk in nature and do nothing. Just declutter and space out and have some time to process everything. And I think life requires a lot of reflection. कि what's happening, how to manage it, क्या करूँ, अब कैसे करूँ. तो thought process काफ़ी मैं डालती हूँ life में, so that has helped me a lot.
अच्छा, recently I got your CV like from one of my friend that you're looking for a job.
Okay.
So this was actually थोड़ी सी मैं सरप्राइज हो गई थी. नॉट शॉकिंग ऑफ कोर्स, बिकॉज जॉब तो जॉब होती है, उसमें क्या करना है. सो टेल मी अबाउट दैट. व्हाट एग्जैक्टली यू आर लुकिंग फॉर?
See, I am looking for money, period. Now, what happened is, my house went under renovation. अब मुझे पता नहीं था renovation क्या होता है, okay? Renovation, I grew up in Canada, वहाँ पर तो खाली घर लो, furniture डाल दो, ख़त्म हो गई बात. So, अभी घर जिसमें हम रह रहे हैं, it was a little old. तो ऐसे चलो थोड़ा सा पेंट कर देते हैं, चलो थोड़ा सा ये, और करते करते इतना खर्चा हो गया. I said, finally now, though I'm not really very keen on a big full-time career, like, you know, because I'm quite happy, quite settled. My hubby, my kids, we are enjoying. अच्छा लगता है मुझे ज़्यादा प्रेशर नहीं लेना है. बट रेनोवेशन का मैंने कहा नहीं, अब that's enough. Now I just want any job to pay for the renovation. That's it. Or you can directly pay for the renovation. I mean, anybody who's done it would know. I don't know, okay, what happened? It's a slippery slope. It just goes on and on. इसीलिए मुझे पता है कि ताजमहल को बनाने में 22 साल लग गए. क्योंकि काम रुक जाता है, फिर ये टेढ़ा है, फिर इसको सीधा करो. So job का मेरा मतलब it can be anything where I can just make a little money without spending too much time on it because I'm really quite busy. So first thing, I'm doing voicing work. I'm doing American accent, Canadian accent, neutral accent, and Indian accent. These are 4 kinds of English I do. I do French, I do Punjabi, I do Hindi. So I'm doing voicing and dubbing work, which is very easy. You know, just go and do it and come back. बहुत अच्छा लगता है. Second thing I'm doing is any administrative work. Literally, if somebody wants me to do some typing, make some phone calls, I'm happy. चुपचाप करके थोड़ा सा, I just want to finish this renovation and get out of it so I can have my mental health back. And करते करते I'm speaking to people, so I don't know if this is the right time or what, I don't know. But I would love to anchor a little bit again. It'd be nice. A little show, interview. 12 घंटे का शिफ्ट तो नहीं कर सकती हूँ मैं, बट अगर कोई शो है which I can anchor and I can interview people or do the stuff I've been doing, that's also wonderful. I'm open for that a little bit now that the kids are more manageable. So yeah.
So as I can see, your last movie was 2008, Halla Bol, and last show was Tamanna House in 2004.
My last show was Body and Soul.
Okay.
Which was a yoga and meditation show. It went all over India. I met the Dalai Lama, I met Shishi Ravi Shankar, Sadhguru. It was a beautiful show. उसके बाद भी मैंने एक show किया था for Canadian television. I See India, it was called. And it was about India, but it was for the Canadian audience. उसके बाद I didn't do TV. I just went into meditation for 2 years. 2 साल मैंने मौन रखा. And meditating, and then bus marriage and children. And as you know, it's just 2 words, marriage and children. But what the woman goes through, I went to 100 kilos with my first baby, then came back to 57, went to 86 kilos with the second baby, came back to 57. I mean, आपके लिए तो natural होगा, you're also a mom, but I had to really work hard to lose weight. Okay. So now I help others with weight loss. 24 hours, 1 kilo gone.
Oh,
yeah,
that's nice.
That's it. Simple.
So how was it? Like आपने decide कर लिया था कि अब आपको television और movies नहीं करनी है?
Actually, अगर हम थोड़ा seriously बात करें, तो जब मैं 18 साल की थी, जब मैंने Miss India Canada में भाग लिया था, I won the title and I said, what am I going to do with this? You know, this is not like, I love acting and anchoring and it's wonderful, but that's not my main passion. My passion is to help people. So my spiritual uncle said to me, first become something, then you can help people. I said, okay. I came to India, सब कुछ हुआ. I said, okay, whatever he wants, God is doing, God is doing. And now that I became something at 30, I said, now I don't have to go on becoming something. जितना नाम कमाना था कमा लिया. How do I use it to help people? First, I have to have the answers. That's when I came to the YSS lessons. I really recommend everybody to sign up for the YSS lessons. It's a small course, it comes home. You have the truth in your hands. Okay, this is the truth, what we have been seeking. And then, like I said, I got busy in my own personal life. तो अब समय आ गया है कि मैं औरों को help करूं. That's why I love doing life coaching. On the phone, it's a 24/7 women's helpline. And I can do it on a public level as well. I'm announcing it on my social media. I give tips on social media also to encourage people to optimize their mental, physical, and spiritual potential. The body, mind, and soul has so much of joy and so much of positive energy that हम अपने अंदर ही बहुत कुछ पा सकते हैं. और ये हम इंडियंस को पता है कि ये जो है कितना बड़ा खजाना है, कितना बड़ा खजाना है हमारे पास, पर हम यूटिलाइज नहीं करते, हम भागते रहते हैं इधर उधर. वी हैव नो टाइम टू गो इनवर्ड and to find the inner wealth. So if I can help even one person on their journey, I feel grateful for that.
आप इतनी अच्छी वीजे रह चुकी हैं, होस्ट, एंकरिंग, एक्टिंग, एवरीथिंग. कभी मिस नहीं होता वो ग्लैमर लाइफ?
अरे रोज बोलती हूँ. I was, अरे बच्चों को मैं बोलती रहती हूँ, I was a star, that. लोग मेरे पीछे भागते थे ना.
You are a star, not one.
I don't know. As a mom, I don't know. I mean, we just run behind our kids. And you just feel like, क्या वो सच था या सपना था या क्या था? लेकिन अभी भी I've been anchoring events. I do events here and there. So I do get to experience all of that. But चेतना जी, life में ना phases होते हैं. And you have to do that phase properly. Okay? Although I do crib about it sometimes because like all the mothers out there know. एक बार आप माँ बन जाओ, parent बन जाओ, let's say even for fathers, I would say, but then you have to forget your things. You have to just do what the child requires. 10 बार खिचड़ी बनानी है तो 10 बार, एक बार बनाएंगे गिरा देंगे, दूसरी बार फिर कुछ गिर गया उसके अंदर. You have to just be so dedicated to get that right. तो आप एक बार उसमें लग जाओ ना, तो then you have to do it properly. और मैं जो भी काम करती हूँ, I try to do it properly. तो satisfaction मिलता है. So yeah, I mean I remember all of that. But कुछ हद तक मैं खुश भी हूँ क्योंकि I like a peaceful life. I like a simple life, peaceful life. So I'm happy that I'm not in that kind of race anymore. तो थोड़ा बहुत छुटपुट अगर मैं करूँगी तो मुझे अच्छा लगेगा. But अभी अच्छा लग रहा है कि लाइफ में सब कुछ किया है लाइफ में. So I'm thankful for that.
What about father's responsibility? Krishna and Vishnu के डैड कितने responsible है बच्चों को लेकर?
Oh, he is such a hands-on father. मतलब एक शुरू में मुझे डायपर चेंज करने ही नहीं देते थे. नहीं तुम हट जाओ. I would say, मुझे करने दो, I know what I'm doing. And शुरू से कृष्णा एंड विष्णु को खिलाना, पिलाना, नहलाना. एक बार तो हमने मैंने नहला दिया था. बच्चे जब 4-5 महीने के होते हैं ना तो उनको नहलाना बहुत बड़ा काम होता है. मसाज एंड शावर एंड क्रीम एंड पाउडर. सो मैंने नहला दिया और मैं सो गई. और ये काम से घर पे आए, आई थिंक फॉर लंच और समथिंग, दोपहर को 2-3 बजे. एंड देन इट हैज, मैंने बच्चे को नहला दिया. आई सेड मैं ऑलरेडी नहला चुकी हूँ. तो बेचारा बच्चा 2 बार नहाया उस दिन. सो ही वाज ऑलवेज वेरी मच कंसर्न. एंड इवन नाउ प्लेइंग विद देम, टेकिंग देम फॉर वेकेशंस, डिनर, खिलौने, सब कुछ ही डज. सो आई एम वेरी हैप्पी. आई एम वेरी थैंकफुल फॉर दैट.
I was reading about you, and you're like the Wikipedia is a journey. I could say, I can say that. So please tell me about your life journey. You were born in Canada, right? Adopted by uncle and aunt.
Yeah, मैंने बहुत कुछ experience किया है life में. My biological parents जिन्होंने जन्म दिया है. आई थिंक जैसे भगवान श्री कृष्णा हैं, उनके भी 4 माँ बाप थे, तो मेरे भी हैं. बहुत कृपा है भगवान की. तो माई बायोलॉजिकल मदर प्रेमलता भाटिया एंड हरबंस लाल भाटिया. तो हम 4 भाई बहन हैं. 2 मेरी बड़ी बहनें हैं एंड देन आई हैव अ यंगर ब्रदर रॉकी हुम आई लव वेरी मच. तो जब मैं 3-4 साल की थी ना, तो मेरे मासी मौसा दे डिडंट हैव अ चाइल्ड. सो एंड आई वाज नेचुरली काइंड ऑफ अफेक्शनेट विद देम. ऐसे लग रहा था कि कोई बॉन्ड है. तो धीरे धीरे करके मैं उन्हीं के पास रहने लग गई. सो it has been sometimes, it's a bit of a journey for the child, but because it was all in the family, it was manageable. And उन्होंने मुझे बहुत संस्कार दिए हैं, जिन्होंने मुझे पाला है. प्रेम कृष्णा भाटिया, सरोज भाटिया. And they are my parents. उन्होंने सब कुछ किया है. So now I'm thankful to all four of them. I have a big family, so happy.
What about marriage? I mean, how did you manage to like life में बहुत सारे ups and downs आते हैं. So how was that?
Well, I think that first marriage was very early. और हम छोटे से थे, कुछ पता नहीं था. I think a lot of NRIs or people in India would understand कि young age में parents ने सोच के कि पिछले like generation में शादियाँ जल्दी होती थी. So when they found out that we like each other, they said तो शादी कर लो. But we were so young. So we got married, but marriage is a different ball game. It's a responsibility, It's not ki just gana gao and, that Bollywood dream. So anyway, it didn't work out. Uske baad, I think the main thing that has kept me strong all these years is God. Is my own, I will not say that I am spiritual or anything. I will just say that God has been my strength. And मेरी जो लगन है भगवान के प्रति, God is there. So why to worry what इस संसार में क्या हो रहा है. वो मुझे रुलाए, वो मुझे हंसाए. That's his problem, not mine.
Oh, that's nice.
It's your problem. You made me. You are making me at this moment. This body, mind and soul belongs only to you. I surrendered at 18, this life to him. Now, I cannot say that I have surrendered to you and then I want luxury and comfort. Right? When you surrender, then it's up to him. वो हंसाए, वो रुलाए. And बहुत सारा philosophy है कि ये जो दुनिया है, this world, it's not heaven. In any religion, do they call this place heaven? Everyone says Swarg, heaven, Jannat, right, is somewhere else. So this world, we have to go through the process. Nobody is exempt from that. And I think suffering is a part of it, honestly. If we don't suffer, we don't grow. So whether it's labor and delivery when we're having the baby, life की शुरुआत ही वहाँ से होती है. So इस दुनिया में बस यही है कि as much we can spread some joy, spread some light, give somebody an encouraging word. बस यही इसी को जीना बोलते हैं. भगवान से प्रेम करो, love God, whoever is your God, you and your maker, right?
Right.
You and your maker. It's not that we have to discuss which religion is right and all, nothing. You and your God, and do everything for him, every single thing for him, because it's his show. He's the boss. He's the producer director. So we just have to do our part for him. That's all.
आप बच्चों को घर में ही पढ़ाती हैं, as you told me.
Homeschooling. Now that's, I'm passionate about that. Very passionate. I feel कि children are more natural with the parents. शुरू से. And 10th जब आएगा तो 10th का certificate is available in India. IGCSE, SSC and NIOS. These 3 boards can be written privately in the 10th. तो उसमें क्या होता है, आपको time मिल जाता है. Mother gets time to breathe. नहीं तो इतनी activities रहती हैं ना school system में, test, exam, dictation, annual day, sports day. So I couldn't keep up with it. I just couldn't do all of that. I need some time for peace. I need some time to just hug them and laugh and joke. मैं इतना मतलब high pressure या fast paced life नहीं जी सकती हूँ. ठीक है? Then there are other reasons also. Internet पे सब कुछ आ गया है. So I feel the school system should actually teach more about life skills and concentrate more on actual life journey and not so many hours. I think children in India especially are under a lot of pressure. So that can be avoided अगर 10th हम directly लिखें. तो एक ही बार and then they get older and they can see for themselves. Homeschooling से मैं पढ़ाई नहीं करती हूँ बच्चों को. शुरू में पढ़ाती थी but बहुत फटाफट हो जाता है. It's very easy. Yeah, it's actually very easy. So why not to just जो काम shortcut में हो सकता है, why to spend so much time on it and enjoy your journey. This is what I always try to say to myself and to others. ठीक है, पैसे कमाने होने चाहिए, but enjoy your journey also. Don't just be running and you don't know what you're running for. Think about it. I'm doing this. Why am I doing it? So try to do things in such a way कि आपको समय मिले अपने लिए, अपने परिवार के लिए, भगवान के लिए, समाज के लिए. तो इसीलिए मैं खुद अपनी लाइफ को जितना डीक्लटर कर सकती हूँ और जितना कम से कम शॉर्टकट में काम कर लेती हूँ ताकि समय मिले फॉर द मोर मीनिंगफुल थिंग्स इन लाइफ.
इतनी अच्छी जर्नी रही है आपकी, अप्स एंड डाउन्स भी रहे हैं. कभी डिप्रेशन फील हुआ है?
Oh yeah, daily, every day.
Really?
It's funny. Me and the kids, we have a joke. First half crappy, second half happy.
Okay.
रीज़न इज़ मुझे कोई काम करना एक्चुअली अच्छा नहीं लगता है. काम मतलब मेरा काम ये ठीक है, हाँ हंसी मजाक करो लोगों को. एक्चुअल लाइक आई डू माई हाउस ऑल्सो माई सेल्फ. मैं खुद आई डोंट हैव एनी मेड्स नथिंग. आई ग्रो अप इन कैनेडा सो आई हैव अ कपल ऑफ वॉशिंग मशीन, ड्राइंग मशीन. तो बट स्टिल करना तो पड़ता है. सो आई काइंड ऑफ लाइक गेट ग्रम्पी अबाउट इट. आई एम थ्रोइंग द क्लोथ्स इन द वॉशिंग मशीन, देन ड्राइंग मशीन. Then I'm like upset every day. And then when it's all done, then when I go down to the gym, we have a gym in the building, I exercise, shower, and I do my kriya. And I'm fresh and so happy. Then I'm partying, rocking, pani puri khao, pizza khao, McDonald's jao, jo marzi karo, right? So depression is something, honestly, I think it is, I think there's two kinds. One is internal, one is external. Okay. Internal sadness is when your body does not have energy. Okay. See, in India we have this knowledge of chakras. जो कुंडलिनी हमारी rise होती है, तो all the chakras open and we are bright. That's why children are happy. Their chakras are open. So when you have internal spiritual energy, physical energy, when you're fit, exercise करेंगे तो energy आएगी. That is internal happiness. But external, if something has gone wrong, that can also cause depression. So when I have any sadness, अब ये डेली का तो चलता रहता है, because I'm also human being. और human being हूँ तो मैं life coaching कर सकती हूँ. अगर मैं बिल्कुल silver spoon in the mouth, तो फिर मैं औरों को कैसे प्रोत्साहित कर सकती हूँ? That we'll get through this together. I'm there for you. The reason is कि real life जी के, real life journey होके, अगर उसमें भी हम थोड़ी सी खुशी पा सकते हैं, it's wonderful. So internal depression, internal sadness, external sadness, we have to analyze where is it going wrong. If it's a major thing, we have to work on it. If it is just a daily up and down, that's normal. That we just have to, like everybody else, slog and or whatever.
It's in routine.
हाँ. फिर depression ऐसी चीज़ है जैसे happiness है. Sadness and happiness goes hand in hand. Happy है, sad है, it will go on lifelong. The moment we are happy, pandemic आ गया. Now the whole world is in depression. ये क्या हो गया?
Yeah, actually.
You know, so we have to take it as it comes. Every moment. I always say, सिर उठा के नहीं जियो, सिर झुका के जियो. जी महाराज, जो भी उसको लगता है, whatever processes he feels we need to go through, then that's his decision and we should trust in him, have faith in him. And अच्छे लोग मिलें, अच्छी बातचीत हो, you should have good people, I always say. And that's the way you can get out of it. You have to work on it though. You have to work on it. Otherwise ये दुनिया, ये life, ये पूरा जो है ना, it will bring you down. But no smoking, no drinking, no alcohol, no drugs, nothing. Keep your body, mind बिल्कुल clean and pure. तो उससे भी काफ़ी ताकत मिलती है. Don't damage the brain and body. We need it. Okay, so this is the reason why it's wrong. It's not wrong because it's morally wrong. It's wrong because you only have to suffer then. You know, उसका जो result होगा, तो then how are you going to face that at 60, 70? तो body को जितना clean and pure, healthy, fit हम रखेंगे, mind को जितना clean, pure, healthy, fit रखेंगे, and soul also. So you really get a much better quality of life. And then these things fight back depression, whether it's internal, external. You know, like I'm also now 50. So, so the body is not like at 20 you're automatically rocking. At 20, I have to make it rock. I have to dance. I have to keep my dance practice. We have a dance institute. My husband is a choreographer and dance teacher.
Okay.
So I keep practicing my dance and I keep trying to keep myself youthful and joyous, even if it's for 5 minutes a day, but feel like you're 20 again and keep fighting that battle. Yeah.
Oh, well, thank you so much and thanks a lot for this interview. I actually learned a lot from you.
But I must say, Chetna, you're doing amazing. She's a mother of 2 as well. And she says it's natural. I didn't have to do anything. But that's fabulous. And it's always good to me. And you're doing a beautiful job as an anchor.
Thank
I
you.
love to inspire other anchors, whatever I can share with them to help them be the best.
Yes. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.